Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows Shift S not working properly. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So there's a couple of different ways how we can try and fix this issue. So fix number one. Now click on your start menu on your computer and click into settings. Now once we've got settings open, click on the system tab on the left hand side. To the right, we need to scroll down and look for clipboard. So click onto clipboard. Now we need to make sure clipboard history across your device is enabled. Now from here, come back to system. Now find the notifications tab. Now from here, you want to scroll down and look for the snipping tool. So keep scrolling down. Now we need to make sure this is enabled. So I want to go ahead and make sure that is enabled. Now if it's grayed out like me, that's because notifications are turned off. So go ahead and turn that on and make sure that is turned on as well, the snipping tool. Now next fix is to come over to apps and then click onto installed apps. Now we need to find the snipping tool here. If you're lazy like me, go ahead and type in snip. Here it is here. Now from here, click on the three dots and then click on the advanced option tab. Now from here, we need to find the reset, repair and reset button. So scroll down under reset, we want to repair it. So go ahead and repair it. And also if the app isn't still working right, we want to go ahead and reset it as well. Then from here, we want to go ahead and open up the snipping tool. Then click on the three dots here, and we need to click into settings. Now I'm going to expand settings. Now we need to find the shortcut tab. So it's kind of near the bottom here. And now it says use print screen to open snipping tool. So we need to change in Windows settings. Now on this page, sticky keys, filter keys are turned off. Then scroll down. You should have an option here where it says use print screen key to open screen capture, and then go ahead and enable that.